Right, so I just thought I'd do a video and show you how you can set up manual focus on your P900. So what you want to do is go to menu, and then you want to come across and go down to the spanner here. You want to go to assign side zoom control, and you want to go to MF manual focus. Now you want to go and turn your dial to M, and then when you're in M, manual focus, or manual, whatever it's called, click on this button here, the lower button down there. It's not working. I only have to put a card in. Yeah, I can't get it to work at the moment because I don't have a card for both cameras, but what you do is you click on this bottom button here, and the menu comes up down here, and you just select manual focus. It's the bottom option, and yeah, I'll show you the difference between zooming with and without manual focus in a minute. So I can get it nice and clear.